BBC News at 9 o'clock. The Foreign Secretary, Dominic Raab, has said that the government still wants to leave the EU with an agreement in place, but the Cabinet is, in his words, turbocharging its no-deal Brexit preparations. He accused Brussels of being stubborn and said that it had to change its position to avoid the UK leaving without a deal at the end of October. Mr Raab told the Today programme it would be easier to resolve issues like the Irish border with a free trade agreement than with the current arrangements.
Although there will be risks on all sides of this, I actually think the prospects of reverting and getting a good deal for the UK will be easier, arguably, if that's the case. And the reason being is we'll do so as an independent third country and we'll be less subject to the demands and the unilateral dictates of the EU as we are now.
The car maker Vauxhall has warned it could move all production from its Ellesmere port factory out of the UK if Brexit makes it unprofitable. Speaking to the Financial Times, the boss of Vauxhall's parent company, PSA, said that they had already identified an alternative plant in southern Europe. The Scottish Finance Secretary, Derek Mackay of the SNP, says if Boris Johnson wants to respect Scotland, he must respect the way it voted in the EU referendum and avert Brexit. Mr Johnson is making his first official visit to Scotland since becoming Prime Minister to announce £300 million of new funding for communities there and in Wales and Northern Ireland. A gunman has opened fire at a food festival in California, killing 3 people and wounding 15 others. He was shot dead by armed officers, although police are investigating reports that a second suspect may still be at large. A former engineer at the American aerospace company Boeing has told BBC News that work on the production line of the 737 MAX passenger jet was not adequately funded. The fleet has been grounded since March following 2 crashes. Boeing denies the claims and says it's committed to making the 737 MAX one of the safest aircraft ever to fly. BBC News.
Our new book of the week in 45 minutes has been described as a walk on the beach with Turner, Shakespeare, the Romantic poets and shanty singers. It's an ode to our oceans. Salt on Your Tongue, written by Charlotte Brunty, is at 9:45. But first, on Radio 4, Reflections with Peter Hennessy, the first in a new series in which senior politicians are asked to reflect on their life and times. This week, Peter Hennessy's guest is Chris Patten, the former governor of Hong Kong.
With me today is Chris Patten, Lord Patten of Barnes, whose political career can only be described as broad gauge, embracing as it has a seat in both Margaret Thatcher's and John Major's cabinets, the governorship of Hong Kong, the shaping of the police service of Northern Ireland, the chairmanship of the BBC Trust, and the chancellorships of the universities of Newcastle and Oxford. He's also been a European Commissioner and has worked for the Pope. Some years ago, Chris Patten was the first person I heard describe the relationship between Britain and the European Union as a psychodrama. Chris, welcome.
Thank you very